Today we're taking another look at one of my favorite crypto coins, Luna, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome into the Terra Luna chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And boy, is this one of the most exciting coins. Look at that overall trend. It is absolutely fantastic. And it looks like right now we are almost trying to hit all-time highs once again. I can't even recall how many times this has happened this year. It has been fantastic. Our current all-time high, just for reference, is sitting at $85.80. We're currently sitting right now at $77.86 roughly. What looks like is happening to me is we've had a nice little bounce right here off our 50-day moving average. And the pattern that I can see potentially unfolding now, especially with this potential doji forming, it's a red candle as well. I think maybe you might see a few days of consolidation, and we'll see what is known as a typical cup and handle pattern. Now, what does that look like? Well, it literally looks like a cup, and then you have the handle built on, and it would act in this sort of a manner, and basically the price would trend throughout this direction and then break in an upwards manner and continue off and upwards, of course. Now, so that would be absolutely ideal for us at this point in time. We're sitting probably at about the top end, I'd say right now, of our cup if it is going to form. Right there, let's just leave that in place as, I'd say, a resistance point. It's had, 4 days potentially, or even if we drag it down, maybe even a bit lower. There you go, 5 days worth of trading action that has touched this point in the past. So what am I expecting to see? Well, unless we do see a massive increase in the buying momentum, I'm expecting to see a bit of consolidation in this sort of a direction, similar to this right there. It might be a bit bigger, but roughly like that. And then what we're going to see is a breakout, and the breakout is going to occur in an upwards manner, and it is going to be targeting that all-time high right up here. So for me today, my target based off this overall is going to be this key point. But within the next few days, what can happen? Well, I think we do have the potential to actually just continue upwards. So ideally, my goal is to initially break this 78 point, even better, break the 81 mark once again and continue in an upwards direction. If not, I can foresee it moving in a bit of a downwards direction over the next few days. That will be seen. Let's have a quick look at the hourly. You can see that things are getting tight up here. It is almost a bit like a flag pattern forming, and we might break. It is a possibility that we won't even have to consolidate. So overall, that would be really, really good to look at. Let's bring in a few more indicators now as well. MACD, that is looking absolutely perfect right now. We saw the 12-day EMA cross above the 26-day EMA. We're only 2 days into our green cycle. Honestly, this consolidation probably is not going to occur. I'm ultimately actually going to say my target has just changed. My target has changed now, hitting that all-time high. It could do it. Obviously, the only thing I think at this point in time holding it back is the overall crypto market. Let's have a look at the RSI. We are quite high on the RSI, sitting at 65.27, but we are not overbought. So that sort of, I suppose, then does support my theory that we may consolidate in that sort of handle manner from the cup and handle pattern. Either way, regardless, these are both bullish patterns for Luna long term. And I honestly believe by the end of the year, we can see brand spanking new all-time highs once again above this point we hit on the 4th of December right here at $85.80. I genuinely think it is possible. We could even see $100 per Luna within the next couple of months. That wraps up the Luna analysis for today, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Do you think we can once again smash all-time highs? I personally think that we will see it in the not too distant future. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of content as well. And of course, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.